Minister in charge Sports and Youth Affairs Shakil Wadri, replying on the question raised by VPP MLA Adan M. Basayamot during the question hour in the budget session today, he said no junk food was supplied to the athletes during the Meghalaya Games 2024 held in Tura. He was informed in the House that light snacks were served during the opening ceremony celebration of the Games, which also include the visit of the President of India as the chief guest. The minister said that no action was taken against spreading news related to junk food being served to athletes.
Because the Honorable President of India had visited and there were so many protocols that we had to follow. So hence, sir, that was the main reason why we served the light snacks. But then, sir, in the world of social media, as you know, everyone can spread anything at any time. And maybe 1 or 2%, sir, who has gotten that video, has taken that video and has spread it across the state.